Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi if you're new. Hey girl if you're new. Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey girl if you're new, and welcome if you're not. Now, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my KimChi makeup mirror. Now, if any of you have seen this mirror online, you will know it has LED lights all around it. It's super cute. And I just wanted to share it with you because I thought it would be fun. This was a surprise present from my partner, and I was like, girl, you know me, honey. How do you know I wanted this? I've recently sold all my hand mirrors, so all my previous mirrors you'll have seen in my other videos, they're now gone. I sold them, and they're gone. So what I thought I would do is start building up my collection again, and I'm going to show you the mirror. So let's get into the unboxing. So how cute was the unboxing? Girl, we love the mirror. So this is the box that it originally comes in. Now, KimChi makeup is something I'm super interested in getting into purchasing more items from. I think it's super cute makeup. Obviously, if you know who KimChi is, you'll know they are a drag performer. I'm going to insert some pictures here. Beautiful, looking sickening, honey. And they have released a makeup line, and oh gosh, you dropped it. Mirrors are one of these things. So this is the box that it comes in. And this is a battery operated mirror. So you can see here it has LED lights. Packaging is super cute. You can get this in like a dusky pink, a mint colour, and this lavender purple colour. I got the lavender purple colour because I think it's super cute. So anyway, enough with the box. Grab it. Let's get into the mirror. So it takes 4 AAA batteries. And here it is. This is the mirror. So it says KimChi Chic. I think it's so cute. The handle's nice. There's a little eye at the bottom. And when you turn it around, this is the mirror here. I've already used it. You see I've got fingerprints on it. And this button here turns on the lights. And if you hold this down, it makes them brighter. I wonder if I turn this off, I can show you. Here we go. So these are the lights. So you can see they come on. Just like that. And by holding in the button, they become brighter. Now this does really illuminate the face. And to show you this, I'm going to put the mirror here so you can see. So the mirror is going to be on my face. Like this. Turn on the lights. You can see, do you see the illumination? And now I'm going to hold my thumb down till it gets really bright. Do you see how much brighter that is? Do you see that? And we turn it down. This is on the lowest setting. And we'll hold it in again. And that's the brightest. I think it's amazing. Turn off. Turn up to the brightest. It always turns on the lowest setting. But either way, I wanted to share this with you because I think it's a really cool concept. And I don't know if it's the first that I've seen like this, but it's the first I've seen that's been done well. The batteries go in here. You just put them in there. It's the first concept I've seen of LED lights in a mirror that's been done well. The last time I seen something similar to this was a lip gloss. I don't have the lip gloss, but I'm just going to grab a lip gloss to show you. So this is like a Dior Milky thing, whatever. Anyway, and it had a mirror on here, and you opened it, and inside here was 2 lights, and you would go like this. And it would illuminate your lips. That was good. Back in my clubbing days, honey, those lipsticks were hot topics. They were hard to get. Well, no, they weren't hard to get. They were available in Superdrug. But what I'm saying is everybody wanted one. And if you were in the club with that, you was popping. You was popping. But yeah, KimChi mirror. I want to recommend this. I think it's super cute. I've got no issues so far. And I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And as you know, I love KimChi. And I think their brand deserves a bit more recognition. I don't see a great deal of it on YouTube. So stay tuned for some more KimChi makeup videos. Because, honey, I'm going to be having them coming very, very soon. But I hope you enjoyed this review. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give me a like. And if you want to hang around and see more of me, hit subscribe. I know you want to. And until next time, I will see you all very soon. Bye, my loves. Mwah.